Yeah, breakfast time with the cats. With 8 of the 9 cats. Hey, there's Stevie. And there's Pee-wee. And Bunyip. So there's some more of Pee-wee, because why not? And there's the Whiskers. They're all very busy. Yeah. And Minx. And Biscuit, who's having a break. Biscuit. Go and eat. Hey? And Minx again. And here's Harley. Hello, Harley. Hey? Yeah? Yeah, back to your can. Yeah. Well, she has her food in the bowl, slow feeding bowl, and then she has the can which she likes to clean out. Keeps her entertained, because otherwise she'll be eating everyone's food. And here's Lizzie. Been enjoying your food there, Lizzie? Hmm? Been enjoying the food? Yeah. Yeah, certainly has, hey? And the last one is Peppy, and when she comes in, she will in her own time. She's out in the cat run. She'll have her breakfast. Yeah. And here's Peppy. She was actually locked in another room. Hey, Peppy. Hello, Peppy. Good girl, Peppy. Yeah. All good with a house full of cats. The furry family of cats. Oh! Well, maybe not. Stevie! Oh God, Stevie, trust me to do that.